What if one of the most charming classic cars in history was reborn for the electric age? What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Morris Minor, a modern reinterpretation that blends timeless British design with cutting-edge technology. At first glance, it feels familiar, but the closer you look, the more surprising details begin to appear. And there is one feature most people completely miss until the end of this review. The Morris Minor has always been a symbol of simplicity, friendliness, and everyday usability. The 2026 version respects that heritage, but updates it for a new generation of drivers. From the front, the design is instantly recognizable. The rounded body shape remains, but now it is cleaner, wider, and more confident. The circular headlights are reimagined with full LED rings, connected by a thin horizontal light bar that gives the car a futuristic expression without losing its soul. The hood is smooth and gently sculpted, flowing naturally into the fenders. There are no aggressive creases or unnecessary lines here. Everything feels intentional, calm, and elegant. This is a car that does not shout for attention, yet somehow still draws a crowd wherever it goes, especially when displayed under bright auto show lights. Move to the side and the classic proportions truly shine. The short overhangs, rounded roofline, and compact footprint remain faithful to the original Morris Minor. However, modern touches like flush door handles, larger alloy wheels, and a lower stance give it a planted and premium look. The wheels fill the arches perfectly, hinting that this is not just a nostalgic design exercise, but a car built for real, modern roads. At the rear, the design continues the minimalist theme. A full-width LED taillight strip stretches across the back, with the Morris name proudly centered. The rear window is large, improving visibility, while the bumper is clean and free of exhaust tips, subtly confirming this car's electric nature. This is where curiosity starts to build. If it is electric, how far can it really go? And how does it feel to drive? Step inside, and the interior may be the biggest surprise of all. The cabin is bright, airy, and intentionally uncluttered. Soft beige materials dominate the space, giving it a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The seats are wide and comfortable, designed for relaxed daily driving rather than aggressive cornering. Stitching details add a sense of craftsmanship that feels far more premium than expected in a compact car. The dashboard features a wide digital display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless panel. The graphics are simple and easy to read, showing speed, navigation, battery level, and driving information without overwhelming the driver. Physical buttons are kept to a minimum, but key controls remain easy to access, preserving that classic simplicity Morris is known for. The steering wheel is thin and elegant, echoing the shape of the original, but now packed with subtle touch controls. The center console features a rotary drive selector, reinforcing the calm and effortless driving experience this car promises. A panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, making the cabin feel much larger than its exterior dimensions suggest. Now let us talk about performance, because this is where expectations often clash with reality. The 2026 Morris Minor is not designed to be a sports car. Instead, it focuses on smooth, quiet, and efficient driving. Power comes from a compact electric motor paired with a modern battery pack. Acceleration is instant and smooth, perfect for city traffic and relaxed highway cruising. The real curiosity trigger here is the range. Despite its small size, the Morris Minor delivers a surprisingly competitive driving range, making it a genuinely usable daily car rather than a weekend novelty. Charging is straightforward, with support for fast charging that allows you to top up quickly during short stops. On the road, the suspension is tuned for comfort. Bumps are absorbed effortlessly, and the car feels stable and confident even at higher speeds. Steering is light but precise, making parking and city driving incredibly easy. This is a car designed to reduce stress, not add to it. Safety has also been modernized. The 2026 Morris Minor includes advanced driver assistance systems, such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. These features are seamlessly integrated, working quietly in the background without distracting the driver. So who is this car really for? The 2026 Morris Minor is perfect for drivers who value design, heritage, and simplicity, but still want modern technology and zero emissions. It is ideal for urban environments, coastal drives, and anyone who wants a car that feels friendly and approachable rather than intimidating. And here is the detail most people miss. The Morris Minor is not just a retro-styled electric car. It represents a philosophy shift. It proves that the future of mobility does not have to abandon the past. Instead, it can respectfully evolve it, keeping the emotional connection alive while embracing new technology. In a world full of aggressive designs and overwhelming screens, the 2026 Morris Minor dares to be calm, charming, and genuinely human. And that might be exactly what makes it one of the most interesting cars of the year.